My name is AJ. So today, I'm gonna show you hold on, about the oh, that. What's this? A nail gun? Okay, this is so strange right now. Do you believe this? Anyways, I'm gonna show you that how could I fly the helicopter. Hold on. This big boy here. This big boy. I'm gonna ride him right now.
That was only on you.
Oh, heck yeah. Wait a minute. It feels like I went inside. Alright, I have to go right now. Let's go! Oh, something wrong, guys. Hold on. Heck yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa! Why? I can fly! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, my legs. Okay, hold on. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. Okay, I'm in. Okay. Oh! Whoa. Okay, let me out of here. Alright, I'm fine. Oh my god, I'm fine. Hold on. Restart. Okay. Alright, I'm fine now. Alright, anyways, also, I'm gonna make a video about the part 2 of, dangerous jobs that I make them since 1 month ago. I'm gonna make that right now. I mean, tomorrow. So, see you later. Bye. That's the reason. How could this weird things?
That was Steelers versus Browns. No, this weekend was Steelers versus Browns. No, I watched the football game with my